Today I'm taking a look at this doweling jig, and what this is for is if you want to join a couple pieces of wood together and have holes in it and put dowels in between to give it that extra strength. That's exactly what this thing is for. Now this one's a little bit a step above just a single hole doweling jig because this has multiple spots, so when you clamp this in place on a board, if you want, you could drill multiple without moving this and create a super strong joint. Besides just having one. Now I'm just going to do one for demonstration purposes, but they do provide you with enough of the bits here, or the guides, for a couple different hole sizes here. So to get this set up, I just have a dowel size that I chose here, and I chose the proper drill that will fit that dowel size. And for the demonstration purposes, I'm only going to use this one middle hole here, but otherwise you would change all these out so they're all the same size. You can adjust this here to the thickness of your wood. That's going to adjust this plate right here. Once you have once you have that adjusted where you want it, then you will be all set. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust it just a little bit for this board here, and just tighten that up. Then you tighten these two up here so it can't move. And now this one is stationary, and this is going to be the one you use to tighten it up. All right, then you're just going to take your board, whatever you're doing. I just got these two boards here for demonstration purposes, and I just drew a line because if you're doing on the edge of something, you want to make sure it's lined up properly. So I have a line on each one, and I can use that line to line up where my hole is going to go. Get this lined up, tighten this up on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole. Now it comes with a set. If you want to set the depth on this, there is a bunch of different collets in here that you can put on the drill and set a depth gauge so you can drill the same depth every time. So that's also included in the kit, but for this purpose I'm just going to do a quick drill. All right, now we're going to remove it from this one, set that aside. You can see we have our hole drilled there. And then we're going to go ahead and line up with this pencil mark on this one and drill the hole again on this other board. Very simple to do, just lining that up right through this observation area here. And this thing has other adjustments too. You can do so many different things with this. I can't show it all in one video, but just to show you what this is going to, can be used for, we're just doing this for a quick demonstration. All right, now I have the holes drilled. We can set this aside. We have our two holes there and there. I'm going to go ahead and join these two. Oops, there it is. Join these two together. And because we hooked it the same way both times, we are going to end up with a board with a flush face because we're going to line our pencil marks back up. And we'll go ahead and take our dowel, slide it in. So we have a dowel slid into that first hole. Of course, you're going to add glue to this and whatever else once you have the final assembly ready to go. And then that'll going to make it even that much stronger. Then you're going to slide it into this hole here. And you can see we have that lined up pretty good there. In this case, I wasn't trying to be super precise. But with no glue or anything, with a proper size dowel, you can see already this is staying together. And I have no glue or nothing on there. Pulling it back and forth with that dowel gives you a lot of extra strength. Once you get that glue on there, this thing clamped up, this thing's not going to go anywhere. Again, this is just some scrap wood here, but what this is good for is doing like face frames on cabinets, all kinds of different things. It has a few other components in here that you can use. Like I said, it has different drill bit sizes, but of course you can use your own drill bits if you have them. And you have the multiple adjustments here, so you can adjust to several different board sizes, and again, being able to drill multiple at once. If you were to drill, like if you were doing a couple wide boards you're trying to connect together for like a butcher top cabinet or countertop, and you wanted to do a whole bunch and drilled all of those in both pieces and filled that with dowels, that would be an extremely strong joint once the glue is all set up as well. So, and again, I have no glue on this. This with the dowel already makes a big difference. The instructions here are very straightforward. It's going to walk you through this. Very easy to use. Simple system. Here's a demonstration. If you're going to drill multiple holes at once, you have it there. So they really walk you right through this. No problem whatsoever. Here's how the tool works. It talks you through all that as well. the collar there that you can use to set your depth. Everything is right here in this instruction manual to get you started and get you set up and ready to go. Very detailed, lots of good pictures that show you how each things go. So you are going to be ready to go when you get this and out of the box. Now these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, and I want to thank them for that. The quality of this feels pretty good. I think some of this is aluminum and these are steel because it's just got a good feel to it. I really like that. But I want to thank them for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. Again, this can do more than I can just show you all in just this one video as far as settings and setting different things up, but that gives you a good idea of what it is designed to do. The fact that they sent this out to me so I could unbox this thing and show you how it works and give you a little idea if you click that order button what you're going to get is great. So I really hope this short video helps you out and you can determine if this is a tool you want in your wood shop for doing, you know, cabinetry or whatever else it might be you might be wanting to do. There you go. I hope this video helps you out.